Hi, it's me again with CorelDRAW tips and tricks. I was playing around today with Eskimo's Duplicator, and on this one, step and repeat, it works just like Corel would do. Have space between centers, and we want 4 going horizontal and vertically. Now, these are 4 separate items, but if we select them all and we hit apply, you can do that in Corel. But you cannot do this in Corel. If you go to array, we're going to go space between centers. We're going to go, so I've got space between centers selected, but I got 0 distance. I'm going to go to the right 10 times, same thing, and I'm going to go up 10 times. And look at this. You can do that in like a split second, where it would take you a long time in Corel. I will leave and there's other stuff this thing can do that I just started. I'm going over some of his old macros, and it's incredible, and it's free. And I will leave a link to this macro at the bottom of this video, and feel free to download it. And the cool thing about it is still individual squares. Anyway, give that a shot. Thank you for watching.